kitchen, and today I have the Projector LED tree top star. So we're gonna check this thing out. This is a Christmas tree star, and the box is fairly light, so it's not gonna weigh down your Christmas tree apparently. So this is what it looks like here in the box. So let's see how it looks in the thing. So this is it here. I'll open it up. Let's see how it looks. The only thing I think left in there is the instructions. Let's see, this thing's got sparkles all over it, so let's hope it's not gonna leave glitter everywhere. I don't think so. Looks like it's glued on there fairly well. So let's unplug it here and untie it and plug it in. So if you've had a Christmas tree before, I guess that's where it goes in the top, and you just jam it on the top, and it's nice and light, so good. So let's plug this in and see what we get. And there it is. So this is what it looks like. It lights up, and then if you see the top, it's got, I'm gonna show you here, like you can see it's got this thing that rotates, but let me see if I have something I can project it on. So it's projected on the bottom of this box. So there, you see what it looks like? So when it's facing up, well, I don't wanna drop the box, but when it's facing up, that's what it's gonna show on the roof. So it's pretty sweet. So you'll have your nice little star at the top of your tree, and at the top of that, you're gonna be looking at the roof and you'll be seeing all the little snowflakes going around. It looks like a couple of different little colors maybe going on. And it's got like a starburst, and the further away you get from your roof, the brighter it's gonna be, but it's pretty bright. It's super light in here today. I mean, it's a super bright day, and I got all the lights on. I didn't even bother to turn off the lights for this, and you can still see it. So I'm guessing this is gonna totally be able to be seen anywhere. If you put it up super close, it'll look kind of weird, but it'll just be a blurb at the top. But get a little bit of distance. This isn't even a foot, and you can already see it. So it's pretty sweet. So, and it's, I guess, big gold star. I'm guessing that's what color it is. I'm colorblind, but and it just plugs in, and it's got a long cord. I'm guessing 20 feet maybe. So if you have a super tall tree that's 20 feet tall, you could do that. Otherwise, I guess you would need an extension cord. But this is really sweet. It says indoor use only, so I'm guessing this isn't gonna work outside. You're not gonna be able to project these snowflakes onto the sky or clouds because it's just not possible. But it's made by the Areker Christmas Tree Light Gold. So that's what it is right there. Pretty sweet, I like this thing. So I'm gonna say thumbs up for me. Definitely like it. It's be super easy to put on your tree. I mean, it just right on the top, and it's nice and light enough and stuff, so it's just gonna always stay on there. I guess if you really needed to zip tie it or something, you could probably tie some things on here and tie them onto the sides and hold it on. It's got some depth to it, so it's not super gonna flop one way or the other necessarily. You can tie it on good. So I like it, so thumbs up for me. There, see, it even stands up on the box. So thumbs up, be sure and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other things too, and the link is in the description, so be sure to click that link and pick one of these up for yourself, because this is pretty cool. I like it. Thumbs up. Let me see maybe anything else. Not really. I mean, I'll unplug it here, and you can see this is what the plug looks like, just like every other Christmas tree plug. It seems like you unscrew this thing, and then you've got the little two prongs and that to go in it too. So definitely cool. Thumbs up. I like it. Okay, see y'all next time. Bye.